Balkrishna Doshi is an Indian architect born in 1927. For more than 60 years, he has dedicated to the practice of architecture. He studied at the Sir J.J. School of Architecture in Mumbai, and in the early 50s he traveled to Paris and worked alongside French-Swiss architect Le Corbusier and later with Louis Kahn. Doshi's architectural work combines modernist concepts with traditional Indian construction methods. He is also known for his work on the field of infrastructure for social housing. And in March of 2018, he was awarded with the Pritzker Prize, becoming the first Indian architect to receive this prestigious award. In this video, we'll see how the architectural elements of color, texture, light, circulation, rhythm, and scale studied in this course of ID2126 are present in Doshi's work. Color. The use of color in his work is mostly related to the materials used in the construction process. These materials are left in their natural state, so we can appreciate the gray color of the concrete and also the reddish-brown tones of the brick. On the other hand, he has also explored the use of bright and pastel colors, inspired by the traditional Indian culture. Here in the facades of these buildings we can see how the colors, the pastel and bright colors are used. Texture. In architecture, texture is really important because it can help to define the nature of a space. In many of Doshi's works, the aspect of the construction materials remains unaltered. So this helps to reinforce the idea of an honest and sustainable architecture. Light. The use of natural light in Doshi's work produces a wide range of sensations on people, creating a soft and calm atmosphere inside the spaces. Doshi manipulates light to increase the level of comfort within the spaces of his buildings, so the maximum amount of light can enter inside the room, but the heat is left outside, considering the weather of India. Circulation. Circulation is a very prominent element in Doshi's constructions. Stairs, passageways, and corridors are perceived as wide and comfortable. In one of his most important building complexes, the Center for Environmental Planning and Technology University, known for short as CEPT, stairs are not only elements that allow users to move efficiently through the building, but can also be places to stay in which students can hang out. Rhythm. Rhythm has a very important presence in Doshi's architecture. For example, in the Indian Institute of Management and in the architect's own professional practice at Sangath, a rhythm by repetition of volumes is used. Another kind of rhythm also develops in the Indian Institute of Management, in which columns and structural walls are placed next to each other at a regular distance. a scale. Doshi has designed buildings in which a monumental scale is more prevalent, such as in the Institute of Indology and in the Premabai Hall. But he has also made architecture that had to do more with the human scale, for example in the housing complex of Aranya. But in all of his projects, the human figure is always taken into account, and therefore the spaces became adequate to the user's needs. According to Balkrishna Doshi's vision, architecture is a medium to celebrate life, to make people be in contact with their deepest feelings. He also believes that architects should be aware of their social responsibility. So, we as architecture students have in our hands the chance to improve our societies.